In today's video, we're going to explain the difference between glass and windows. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. I'm here in Houston, our beautiful showroom, where we have over a dozen brands of windows and doors to choose from. If you're in the area, come by, I'd like to meet you. If you're not, and you're looking for a great window company, check out thewindowexperts.com. So in today's video, I'm going to answer a common misconception that a lot of people have. They say, Jeff, I need a new window. And I'm like, okay, do you really need a new window? Because we get, I don't know, at least 100 calls a week here in Houston from people who say, I'm calling you because I need a new window. And my next question is, what happened to your window? And if they say, oh, well, my window broke. Okay, tell me more. Well, somebody was playing baseball and they broke my window. I'm like, okay, now we should clarify. There's a difference between window companies and glass companies. So I want to try to explain that to you. So this is a corner of a window frame, and you can see that it has this glass inside of here. This happens to be, by the way, a really well-made vinyl window. You can see it's got the injected foam in there. It's got a really nice spacer system. It uses offset glass, and this is actually the Anlin Delmar E series. I'll put a link to it up here and down below. It's really worth watching. It's a really terrific product. It's one of my favorite products. But if you notice here, this is actually the corner of a window. So if you called me and said, Jeff, my window broke, I would want to know what part of your window broke. If you said this broke, then you don't need a whole new window. You just need glass. If you said, no, my window itself broke, okay, now you need a whole new window. So let me kind of explain the difference. When the windows are assembled, they actually are two pieces. They have frame and then they have glass, and those two are married together. Now, when you need to replace it, you don't have to actually throw away your old window, right? All you do is you get the glass piece, which looks kind of like this, okay? This is what we call an IG, insulated glass. IGU means insulated glass unit. So here's a whole unit. You can see it fits in there. All they have to do is remove this piece right here. This is called a glazing bead or a glass stop. That pops off. Then they take the old one out, put the whole new one in, seal it back up, and they leave. It's kind of like changing the flat tire on a car. You don't need a whole new car. You don't need a whole new rim. You just need a new tire. So this would be a whole new rim. This would be just a new tire in that illustration. Does that make sense? So what happens is this. Window companies get a phone call from you and you say, hey, I need a new window. And what they're going to probably do is send you to a glass company. Usually window companies don't do glass replacement unless that's a part of the service they would do for the windows that they sold. And usually glass companies don't do window replacement. So if you're looking for glass, look for a glass company. If you're looking for a window, look for a window company. Now, what I would like to suggest is that you try to reach out to the manufacturer of whoever made your window. For example, this window says Marvin on it here, and of course once that's installed you won't know it's a Marvin window. And also in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll show you a close-up, most window companies will put in the glass, bottom right hand corner of the glass, they will put their logo in there. It'll have the name of the manufacturer and it'll have some information about your order number, your specific order number. If you have that in your window, then what I would do is I'd reach out to either whoever sold you the window, or if they're not in business, then reach out directly to the manufacturer, give them that information. They'll be able to put you in touch with someone to actually get you what you need to swap that out. So the last question people ask me all the time is, Jeff, if I have a double pane unit, don't I have to replace the whole window then? Because those are double pane, right? And the answer is no. You just need to get a double pane insulated replacement piece to go in there. Another question people say is, can I just, if only one broke, can I just fix the outside piece? No, you can't. You have to buy these as a sandwich, as a complete unit, because the argon gas is done inside of a machine at the factory. Also, you would never ever get this to seal properly out in the field without the right equipment. So I hope this answers your questions. Maybe you need glass, maybe you need a window. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. And if you're in the Houston area, I'd love to meet you. If you're not, check out thewindowexperts.com for a great window company near you.